Welcome to the top picks. The best Fusion Strike is probably one of the most anticipated and exciting releases in the Pokemon trading card game, offering a fresh wave of powerful cards, innovative strategies, and stunning artwork that promises to shake up the meta and provide countless hours of thrilling gameplay for both seasoned collectors and new players alike. Number 5. SanDisk 128GB microSDXC card for Nintendo Switch. Get the ultimate gaming experience with this officially licensed microSD card. It's designed to work seamlessly with your Nintendo Switch, Nintendo OLED, and Nintendo Switch Lite systems. Spend less time waiting and more time playing. This card offers incredible speeds, with read speeds up to 100 MB/s and write speeds up to 90 MB/s. Instantly add up to 128 GB of storage to your console. This means you can keep all your downloaded games, screenshots, and video captures in one convenient place. With all your games stored on this card, you can easily take your adventures with you wherever you go. It's the perfect solution for portable gaming. Please note that this card is compatible with the Nintendo Switch, Nintendo OLED, and Nintendo Switch Lite. It is not designed for the Nintendo Switch 2. What we like. If you need to expand your Nintendo Switch's storage, this is the card for you. With incredible speeds and ample space, you can download more games and store more captures. If you want to spend less time waiting and more time playing, this officially licensed card is the perfect choice. What people say. Fusion Strike is a great addition to the Pokemon TCG, offering powerful new cards and strategies. The set includes a variety of strong Pokemon V and VMAX cards, such as Gengar VMAX and Espeon VMAX, which can significantly impact gameplay. Many new trainer cards and energy cards were introduced, providing players with more options for deck building and customization. Number 4. Pokemon TCG, Sword and Shield Elite Trainer Box Plus. Let the legendary Zacian or Zamazenta lead your journey through the Galar region. These powerful Pokemon are ready to join your collection. Enhance your gameplay with a powerful Galar region Pokemon, metal coins, dice, and condition markers. Make your Pokemon TCG experience truly exceptional. Featuring a legendary Pokemon of Galar in a stunning golden card form. Its shining metal accessories will make your collection shine. With the might of Zacian V or Zamazenta V, your decks are destined to win. Channel the strength of these metal-type Pokemon into your strategy. Discover a player's guide detailing the first year of the Sword and Shield series, including top cards and combos. You'll also find exciting surprises in booster packs. This Elite Trainer Box Plus is packed with everything you need to elevate your game. Get ready for an adventure in the Galar region. What we like. For the ultimate Pokemon TCG collector, this box offers a legendary experience. Featuring a golden card of Zacian or Zamazenta and shining metal accessories, your collection will truly stand out. If you're looking to add a powerful Galar region Pokemon and premium components to your TCG arsenal, this is the set you need. What people say. The Fusion Strike expansion introduces powerful new Pokemon V and Pokemon VMAX, including the highly anticipated Mutwo V, Mutwo VMAX, Gengar V, and Gengar VMAX. This set features a variety of trainer cards and special energy cards that can significantly impact gameplay, offering new strategies and deck-building possibilities. Fusion Strike includes a significant number of alternate art cards and secret rares, making it highly desirable for collectors. Number 3. Nintendo Switch Neon Blue-Red Joy-Con. Introducing the Nintendo Switch, a versatile console that adapts to your lifestyle. Experience gaming in 3 distinct modes: TV, tabletop, and handheld. Immerse yourself in games with its stunning 6.2-inch multi-touch capacitive screen. It brings your favorite titles to life with vibrant visuals. Enjoy gaming on the go with an impressive battery life of 4.5 to over 9 hours. The duration will vary based on your gameplay. Take your multiplayer experience online via Wi-Fi. You can also connect up to 8 consoles for thrilling local wireless battles. This is the Nintendo Switch, model number HAC 001-01. It's designed to bring you endless entertainment, wherever you choose to play. What we like. This is the ultimate versatile gaming console. With 3 distinct play modes, you can game anywhere, anytime, on a vibrant touchscreen. If you desire a seamless transition between TV, tabletop, and handheld gaming, and want a console that offers extended playtime, this is the perfect fit for your lifestyle. What people say. The game features a vast open world with diverse environments to explore. New Pokémon and abilities are introduced, adding strategic depth to battles. The storyline is engaging and offers a compelling reason to progress through the game. Number 2. Pokémon TCG Fusion Strike Elite Trainer Box. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of the Pokémon trading card game with the Fusion Strike Elite Trainer Box. It's your gateway to new strategies and epic battles. Inside, you'll find 8 booster packs from the Sword and Shield, Fusion Strike expansion. Each pack holds the promise of powerful Pokémon and game-changing trainer cards. Keep your valuable cards safe and stylish with 65 card sleeves featuring the iconic Mew. They offer both protection and a touch of legendary flair. Power up your decks with 45 Pokémon TCG energy cards. These are crucial for unleashing your Pokémon's full potential in every match. Learn everything you need to know with a player's guide to the Sword and Shield, Fusion Strike expansion. It's packed with tips and insights to elevate your gameplay. Never miss a beat with the comprehensive Pokémon TCG rulebook. It ensures you understand all the mechanics to play like a champion. What we like. Dive into the exciting world of the Fusion Strike expansion with this Elite Trainer Box. It comes packed with booster packs, exclusive Mew card sleeves, and essential energy cards. If you're a fan of Mew and want to build powerful decks from the latest expansion, this is a must-have for your collection. What people say. The game offers a vast open world to explore with diverse Pokémon. Fusion Strike introduces new mechanics and powerful trainer cards that change gameplay. The artwork on the cards is stunning and highly collectible. Number 1. Pokémon TCG, Sword and Shield Fusion Strike Build and Battle Booster Kit. The road ahead is full of possibilities. A new Fusion Strike style is emerging, ready to harness the unbound spirit of Pokémon and trainers. Adaptable new Pokémon V, like Genesect and Hoopa, are eager for battle. They are ready to showcase their power and strategies. Single Strike and Rapid Strike Pokémon loom large, appearing in their Gigantamax forms. Get ready to witness their incredible power. This kit provides a strong foundation for building a new deck. Adapt to the flow and discover powerful new strategies to play against your friends. Each unit includes a special evolution pack with key cards, booster packs, and a deck-building tip sheet. Prepare and battle with everything you need. Get ready to face your opponents with this incredible set. It includes everything 2 players need to prepare and engage in exciting battles. What we like. Get ready for intense Pokémon TCG battles with this build and battle kit. It provides the perfect foundation for deck building, including special promo cards and booster packs. If you're looking for a way to jump straight into playing with a friend, or want to experiment with new strategies from the Fusion Strike style, this kit is ideal. What people say. The Fusion Strike set includes a variety of powerful Pokémon V, VMAX, and even a few VSTR cards, offering exciting new strategies for players. This set features stunning artwork on many of its cards, including alternate art versions that are highly sought after by collectors. Players can expect to find new trainer cards and special energy cards that can significantly impact gameplay and deck building. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.